Hi friends, welcome to a brand new vlog of Judo's Dhamaka. Welcome to Delhi, welcome to Bengali market, welcome to Nathu's pastry shop. Hi friends, welcome to a brand new vlog of Judo's Dhamaka. Right now I am at Bengali market, New Delhi, and we are now gonna enter Nathu's pastry shop. ये शॉप बहुत पुरानी है. I have tasted their food a number of times and this is the first time in this store. So मिलते हैं नथुस के अंदर. Please like, share, subscribe my channel and also like and follow my Facebook page Judo's Dhamaka. Let's do the Dhamaka. As the banner says, chill. So hashtag chill. From breads, buns, cakes, pastries to non-veg items, you will get a plethora of food items in this small yet cozy and comfortable shop. They also sell tea, coffee, cocktails, etc. So we ordered chickenseekh patty. Inside there was a chickenseekh and it was tasty. And the ambience of this food joint is perfect. It's tasty, fresh and puffy. The price is rupees 70 plus GST and we had to pay rupees 78 for each patty, chicken patty. Please like, share, subscribe my channel and also like and follow my Facebook page Judo's Dhamaka. Let's do the Dhamaka.